Hello everyone, today's featured piece is a colorful floral dinnerware set. The embossed edges create a layered effect, and the combination of stepped and raised shape creates an artistic aesthetic, decorated with plant and flower patterns, with exotic design and natural color, adding vitality and romance to the irregular shape. The material is smooth porcelain. This set includes one 320 mm mark with a comfortable grip, a 13 cm bowl with a unique shape, a 19 cm dessert plate, and a 26.5 cm dinner plate. By using decal technique, which perfectly reproduced the details and colors of the design, allowing the patterns to appear clearer and more realistic on the porcelain. We support custom logo and offer flexible packaging options. We can arrange shipping for 5 full container load or less than container load. This dinnerware set was one of the most popular styles at the show. If you're interested, please subscribe to our channel for more content related to ceramic dinnerware. Thank you. Bye.